It is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and we are making our way around the power and control wheel of domestic violence. So, oftentimes, when we think about domestic violence, we're thinking about only physical abuse and sexual abuse, but it's actually defined as much broader. And the way that I think of it, at least as a lawyer, is legal domestic violence in Arizona is really limited to many of the physical acts of domestic violence. But there are all these other indications and all these other forms of domestic abuse that happen usually before physical violence. And you want to use those and know about those so that if you see that in your own relationship, you can make the proper corrections. Maybe the relationship improves, maybe you're able to change the dynamic, or you are going to get out sooner. That is my hope for you. So today we're talking about denying, minimizing, and blaming. And this happens when somebody denies that they have been abusive or wrong to you in any way, fails to take any accountability, turns it around and makes it your fault, and minimizes any pain that could have been caused. So, the thing that I think of is in the Amber Heard Johnny Depp trial, when Amber hit Johnny and then was like, it wasn't that bad. What are you, a girl? Like, that's really, really not good behavior. And I'm not saying that he didn't do the same. I think in their particular case, they were both abusive to one another. And I'm not going to get into that, although if you guys want to, we can talk about that a little bit more. But that type of behavior is something that you should be very concerned about if you see it happening in your own relationship.